Good morning everybody. Welcome back to our channel Sri Education. In previous class, 9th class, 4th chapter lines and angles, exercise 4.2, complete angle, types of angle, will learn that 2 points. So today topic is exercise 4.3 in lines and angles, 4th chapter. Now here we see the textbook. Here exercise 4.3. First question, it is given that L is parallel M. To prove 1 is supplement to 8. Write reason for the statements. Here some statements are there. Here one diagram is there. L comma M are the parallel lines. Next, angle 1 and angle 2 supplement to 8. 1 is supplement to 8 means 1 and 8 angles, 2 angles sum is equal to 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 sum is equal to 180. These two angles are supplementary angles. So first one is L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Here angle 1 plus angle 8 both are supplementary. So supplementary means here 180. So the exterior angles in this diagram, these two are the parallel lines. 1 and 8 both angles are exterior angles. These two angles are exterior angles. So exterior angle sum is equal to same side. These two are the same side exterior angles. So sum is equal to 180. In the given question, here supplementary angle sum is equal to also 180. So next, second one, angle 1 is equal to 5. Angle 1 is equal to 5. Angle 1 equal to 5. These two are the corresponding angles. Angle 1 equal to 5. Angle 5 plus 8 is equal to 180. Here 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to, this is the linear pair. Here line, this one is the line. Here 5 plus 8 is a linear pair. Linear pair means 180 degrees. Next, angle 1 plus 8 is equal to 180. So co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles. These two are the exterior angles. Already we know that. Next, angle 1 is a supplement to 8. L is parallel to M. Here L is parallel to M. These two are the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. These two angles are this is the transversal line. L comma M are the parallel line. This one is the transversal. So these two angles are same side of the transversal. So here L is parallel to M. Next, second question. In the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF. And YZ is equal to 3:7. Find the X value. Here YZ angles are given. So here Z. So totally these three are the parallel lines because here AB is parallel to CD. CD is parallel to EF. So these three are the parallel lines. Here this line is the transversal. So this line is the transversal. Now here we find the X value. Now here these three lines are the parallel because these two are parallel, these two are parallel. Automatically these two are parallel. So here given that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. So automatically these two are the parallel. That implies AB is parallel to EF. So here also given ratio YZ is equal to Y is to Z equal to 3:7. So here X plus Y. Here these two are the, suppose AB and AC are the parallel lines. So X plus Y is the interior angle of the same side of the transversal. So sum is equal to 180. So from the figure X plus Y equal to 180. Equation 1. So since here interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So next, also here Y and Z are the different sides, but sum is equal to 180. So here Y plus Z is equal to 180. So here ratio is the sum of the ratio. Here YZ ratio is given. Here Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. So here sum of the ratio equal to sum of the ratio of the terms of the terms. So here y is to z is equal to here 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 10 is the sum of the ratio. So now here we find the y value. Here y is equal to 3 by, here y ratio is 3. 3 total is 10 into 180. 0 0 get cancelled. 54 is the answer. Next here z value. Z is equal to here, z ratio is 7 by total into 180. 0 0 get cancelled. 18 7s are 126. So here z is equal to 126. So here x plus y is equal to 180. Now here x plus y equal to 180. This is the equation 1. Y plus z equal to 180. This is the equation 2. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2. X plus y equal to y plus z. Y get cancelled. X equal to z. Here z is equal to 126 degrees. X equal z is equal to 126 degrees is the answer. Here asking x value. X equal to 126 degrees. So hence proved. This is the complete proof of second question. Third question, in the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. So GED. GED is the 126. This angle is 126. So find AGE, GEF, FGE. So we find these three angles. Now here first we write the given data. Here given that EF is perpendicular to CD. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So next EF is perpendicular to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. And angle GED equal to 126. Here GED, this angle is 126. Here FED is 90 degrees. So means here perpendicular lines. So here GED equal to 126. Here asking first one AGE. Here first AGE. AGE. First one, this one. Next here GEF. GEF. Second one, this angle. This angle. Next third one FGE. FGE. This one. Third one. Here three angles are. So here first GED is 126. GED 126. GED 126. So here angle 1 or AGE also 126, because here AB and CD are the parallel lines. GE is the transversal. So these two are the alternate interior angle. So therefore here angle AGE is equal to angle DEG is equal to 126. Here these two are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So here AGE is equal to 126. AGE is equal to 126. First one finish. Next here second one. Second one GEF. GEF. Here GEF. GEF. Angle GEF equal to this complete angle minus 90 degrees, because FEG is 90 degrees. So here 126 minus 90 degrees. 126 minus 90 equal to 36 degrees. GEF equal to 36 degrees. Next third one angle FGE. FGE. So this is the straight line. This complete sum is equal to 180. So here angle AGE plus angle EGF is equal to 180. Here since AB is a line. AB is a line. So here AGE is equal to 126. 126 plus EGF equal to 180. EGF is equal to 180 minus 126. So here angle EGF. EGF is equal to here 180 minus 120, 54 degrees. So 54 degrees is the answer. So here three angles. One is the 126. Next one is the 36. Here third one is the 54 degrees. This is the third one, complete proof. Fourth question, in the adjacent figure, PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST. So PQR 110 degrees. RST 130 degrees. Find QRS. Here we find the QRS value. Here draw a line parallel to ST through the point R. Here we draw the line parallel to these lines and passing through R. Now first here we use the hint, draw a line parallel to ST through the point R, parallel to ST. So here we draw the parallel line parallel to ST passing through on R. So here this is the line L. So this angle is A, B, C. So here three angles are formed, A, B, C. So here L is a straight line. Here first we write the given data. Here given PQ is parallel to ST. PQ is parallel to ST and angle PQR is equal to 110 degrees. PQR equal to 110 degrees. Next RST equal to 130 degrees. Here two angles are given. We find the QRS. We find B value. Here we write the B. We find the B value. So here first we draw the line L. So PQ and L is a parallel. So we write the from the figure 110 plus A is equal to 180 because these two are the interior angles of the same side of the transversal. Next 130 plus C equal to 180. These two also sum is equal to 180 interior angles of the same side of the transversal. So here A plus 110 is equal to 180 degrees. Next and 130 B C plus 130 C plus 130 is equal to 180 degrees. These two are the interior angles on the same side of a transversal. Same side of the transversal. So here we write the A equal to 180 minus 110. So here A equal to 70 degrees. A equal to 70 degrees. Next we write the B equal to, here C equal to. So C equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degrees. Here we know the A and B values. Here we know the A and C values. Now here we find the B value. Here L is a straight line. L is a line. L is line means here A plus B plus C equal to 180. A plus B plus C equal to 180. Here since L is a line. L is a line means sum of these three angles is equal to 180. Here A equal to 70 degrees plus B, we don't know B value. We write B as T. C equal to 50 degrees. Here 180. Here 70 plus 150. 70 plus 50 equal to 120 is equal to 180. So B equal to 180 minus 120. Here B equal to 60 degrees. B is the angle QRS. So therefore angle QRS, B equal to angle QRS equal to 60 degrees. So here hence proved. This is the complete solution of fourth one. Here required angle QRS equal to 60 degrees. Fifth question. In the adjacent figure, M is parallel to N. A, B are any 2 points on M. and N respectively. Let C be an interior point between the lines M and N. Find the angle ACB. Here ACB. Here we find this angle Z equal to. We find the Z value. Here M comma N are the parallel lines. C is the interior lines in parallel M and N. So here we find the angle Z. So here first we draw the parallel line to M and N passing through C. Now here we draw the parallel line of M and N. So here we draw the line. This line is passing through on C. So here form two angles. Here one is the, here L is the parallel line. So here one is the, this one angle is A. Here this one is B. Here form these two angles. So Z equal to sum of these two angles. So here we find the A and B values. So here draw a line L parallel to M and N. M and N through C. So here X equal to A, because here X equal to M comma L are the parallel lines. First we write that one. So here M is parallel to L. M is parallel to L. Here BC is a intersecting line. Here M is parallel to N and BC is transversal. BC is transversal. L, M is parallel these two lines and BC is a transversal. So here X equal to, this angle equal to X. So here X equal to A. That implies here X equal to A. X equal to A. These two are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles for L comma M. So now here next, here we take these two are the parallel. L is parallel to N. L is parallel to N. AC is a transversal. AC is a transversal. So here AC transversal means here B equal to Y. So that implies B equal to Y. B equal to Y. These two are the alternate interior angles for L comma N. So for L comma N. So here X equal to A and B equal to Y. So therefore Z is equal to, here Z is equal to what? Z is equal to, Z means this angle Z. Here A of B of. So Z is equal to A plus B. Z is equal to A plus B. Here A is equal to X plus B equal to Y. So here Z is equal to, here find ACD. ACD. Therefore angle ACD is equal to Z is equal to X plus Y. So here hence proved. So this is the complete proof of fifth one. Sixth question, find the value of A and B given that P is parallel to Q and R is parallel to S. P is parallel to Q. R is parallel to S. These two are parallel. These two are parallel. So here first we take these two are parallel means this is the transversal. R is a transversal. So here these two are angles are equal. Here parallel, given that P is parallel to Q and R is parallel to S. First we write the given data. Here given that P is parallel to Q and R is parallel to S. So we observe these two are parallel. Here R is a transversal. So here we take P is parallel to Q and R, here R is transversal. R is transversal. So automatically 2A and 80 degrees. These two angles are equal because these two are the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. 2A is equal to 80 degrees. Since corresponding angles angles. So here A equal to 80 by 2. So here 40 degrees. A equal to 40 degrees. Next here B asking. So next here R is parallel to S and Q is a transversal. Q is transversal. So here R is parallel to S, Q is a transversal. R is parallel to S, Q is a transversal. 80 and B are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So these two angles are sum is equal to 180 degrees. So we write that one. Also here 80 degrees plus B equal to 180 degrees. Since here interior angles of a on the same side of the transversal. So here B equal to 180 minus 80 degrees. Here B equal to 100 degrees. B equal to 100 degrees. A equal to 40 degrees and B equal to 100 degrees. So here find out. So here this is the complete solution of sixth one. Seventh question. If in the figure A is parallel to B, C is parallel to D, then name the angles that are congruent to angle 1 to angle 2. So here you observe the diagram and these two angles equivalent angles. We write the equivalent or congruent angles. So first we observe the diagram. Here 1 is equal to 3. These two are the vertically opposite angles. So these two are equal. Next here 1 equal to 5. These two are the corresponding angles because A and B are parallel lines. Next 1 is equal to here 9 because C and D are parallel line. A is a transversal. So 1 equal to 9. So 1 equal to 3, 5 and 9. So here first we write the given that here A is parallel to B and C is parallel to D. So here angle 1 equal to 3. Here these two are the angle 1 equal to angle 3. So these two are the intersecting lines. A and C are the intersecting lines. So here these two are the vertically opposite angles. So here vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. 1 equal to 3. Next 1 equal to angle 1 equal to here 5. Here corresponding angles. Here A and B are the parallel line. C is a transversal. So here 1 equal to 5. 1 equal to angle 5. Corresponding angles. Here since corresponding angles. So next one is the here angle 1 equal to angle 9. So these two also angle 1 equal to angle 9. Here C and D are the parallel line. A is a transversal. So these two also corresponding angles. So next here also here angle 1 equal to angle 3. Next angle 1 equal to angle 5. That equal to here angle here 9. Here 9. Next here 7 also equal. Here angle 7. Next here angle 1 equal to here angle 1 equal to here 9 equal to 11. Vertically opposite angles. Here 9 equal to 1. So here 11. Next this equal to already we write the 9. Next here angle 9 equal to 13. These two are the corresponding angles. Angle 13. Next here angle 13 equal to 15. These two are the vertically opposite angles. So these are all equal. So similarly we write the angle 2 equal to similarly we write angle 2 equal to here angle 2 equal to 4. These two are the vertically opposite angles. 4 equal to 12. Next 12 equal to we write the 16 equal to 14. So here 14 equal to 6 also. So we write that all angles. Here angle 2 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 6 plus angle 6 equal to angle 8. Next here angle 2 equal to angle 10 also, that equal to angle 12, angle 14 that equals angle 16. These are all equal. So this is the 7th one answer. Next, 8th question. In the figure, the arrow head segments are parallel to find the value of x and y. So here these two are the parallel lines and we find the x and y values. Here already two angles are given. One is the 59, one is the 60. So here we find the x and y values. So here arrow head segments are parallel, means these two are the parallel arrow head segments. So here we write the naming A, B, C, D, E. So now here AC and DC arrow head segments, these two are the arrows symbols. So here given that here AC is parallel to DE, AC is parallel to DC, AC is parallel to DC means here DE, DC is a transversal, DC is a transversal. DC is a transversal. So here DC transversal means these two are the alternate interior angles. So y equal to 50 degrees, y equal to 59 degrees, since these two are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So next here asking x and y. So suppose here AC is parallel to DE and EC is a transversal. EC is a transversal. EC is a transversal. We take the EC is a transversal. So here x equal to 60 because corresponding angles, these two are the x equal to 60 degrees, since these two are the corresponding angles. So here this is the 8th one answer. 9th one, in the figure the arrow head segments are parallel, then find the value of x and y. So these two are parallel. These two are parallel means this is the transversal. Transversal means here x equal to y. X equal to y are the corresponding angles. Next here these three are the intersecting lines. So here y means here y. Here 105 means here 105. These two are the opposite intersecting angles. Here 35 means 35. Here each angle 2 times come. So this is the complete angle. So sum of these angles equal to 360. But each angle is 2 times. Means here these 3 angles sum is equal to 180. So here these two are the opposite interior angles. So here 105. So here y means here y. Here also 35 degrees. Opposite intersecting angles. So this is the complete angle 360 degrees. So these 6 angles sum is equal to 360. Here each one comes 2 times, means here we add 3 angles sum is equal to 180. So from the figure, so this complete we write this complete 6 angles. So here 35 into here 35 degrees plus y degrees plus 105 is equal to here 180 degrees. So now here 35 plus 105 140 degrees is equal to 180. So y equal to 180 minus 140 40 degrees. Y equal to 40 degrees. So here y equal to x. Here arrow heads segments are parallel, means these two are parallel. Here this is the transversal. So x equal to y, because these two are the corresponding angles. X comma y are corresponding angles. So here x equal to y, here y equal to 40, so we write y equal to x equal to 40 degrees. So here asking x and y values both are equal 40 degrees. This is the answer. Now 10th question, find the value of x and y from the figure. So here these two are the parallel lines. So we find the x value, x and here y is there. We find the x and y values. Here we observe the diagram. These two arrow segments are parallel. These two are parallel. So here angle 120 and angle x are the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. So here this is the transversal. So next these two are the arrow here. So here these two are the arrow segment lines. So this one is the transversal. These two are the corresponding angles. So these two are equal. So first we find the x value. First these two are the parallel lines. Next this is the transversal. So here from the figure 120 plus x equal to 180 degrees. So these two are the exterior angles on the same side of transversal. Same side of the transversal. So here therefore x equal to 180 minus 120. So here x equal to 60 degrees. So here x carry to 120 right hand side, 180 minus 120, x equal to 120. Next we find the y value. Here y equal to, first here compare these two angles. So these two are the parallel sides. So these parallel, this is the transversal, means these two angles are equal, corresponding angles. Also x equal to 3y plus 6, because here corresponding angles. So here these two are corresponding, means here these two are equal. We write the variable in here. We know the x value. Here we substitute the x value. X equal to 60. 60 is equal to 3y plus 6. Here 3y is equal to 60 minus 6. That equal to 3y equal to 54. Y equal to, here y equal to 54 by 3. That equal to 18. So here therefore x equal to 60 and y equal to 18 is the answers. This is the complete solution of 10th one. 11th question, from the figure find x and values. Here one diagram is given, we find the x value. Here x is there, here y. These two are the parallel lines. Here 90 degrees. We find the x and y values. So first we observe the diagram. These two are the parallel. These two are the parallel means here this complete angle plus this one. Sum is equal to 180, because here interior angles on the same side of the transversal. These two are the interior angles of the same side of the transversal. These two are the parallel lines. Arrow segment lines are parallel. These two are the parallel. So here this is the transversal. So these two angles sum is equal to 180. From the figure, x plus 65 plus 52 degrees is equal to 180. Since here interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So here x plus 117, 65 plus 52, 117 is equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 117. So here x equal to 63 degrees. So next here asking y value. So that implies here first this is the triangle. Here three angles. One is the 92 degrees, 52, another one is the 52 degrees. Next this one is the 3y plus 5. So these three are the interior angles in a triangle. So this angle sum is equal to 180. So 52 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 3y plus 5 degrees is equal to 180. So since interior angles of in a triangle, interior angles of a triangle. So here interior angle of a triangle. So this sum is equal to 180. 3y plus 52 plus 90 plus 5 equal to 147. 147 is equal to 180. 3y is equal to 180 minus 147. So 3y equal to here 33. Y is equal to 33 by 3. 3 ones are 3 11s are is equal to 11 degrees. X equal to 63 degrees and y equal to 11 degrees. This is the complete 11th one answer. Twelfth question, draw the figure from the following statements. So here, if two arms of one angle are respectively perpendicular to the two arms of other angles, then the two angles are either equal or supplementary. Suppose we take the two angles, that two angles arms are perpendicular and angles are equal, either equal or supplementary. We draw the figure. Now first here we draw the two angles. So arms are perpendicular and the two angles are either equal or supplementary. First we draw the one angle. So here this is the one angle. Next this is another angle. So these two are, so here these two are the angles. So here OAB is the one angle. Next PQR is the one angle. Here two arms OA and PQ is perpendicular and OB and OR is perpendicular. These two are the supplementary angles. This is the one diagram. Next we draw the another one. This is the another one. Here AOB is a one angle. Next RQP is a another angle. So here this QP extended like this. Here right angle it. So OA is perpendicular to PQ. Next OB is perpendicular to QR. So these two angles are equal. So here AQ is perpendicular to PQ and OB is perpendicular to QR. So these two angles are equal. Angles are equal. So this is the complete solution of 12th one. 13th question, in the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ is equal to 50 degrees and PRD equal to 127. Find xn value. So here first these two are the parallel lines AB and CD. So PQ is a transversal. Here 50 degrees equal to x. These two are the alternate interior angles. Next here exterior angle is there. So this is the straight line. Next we find the y value. Next here PR is a transversal. So here these complete two angles equal. 50 plus y equal to 120 degrees. We find the y value. Here first we write the given information. Here AB is parallel to CD. So given that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Next here PRD, angle PRD equal to 127 degrees. So here AB is parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal. So here PQ is a transversal. So here 50 equal to x. These two are equal, alternate interior angles. So from the figure, figure x equal to 50 degrees since alternate interior angles. So here given that AB is parallel CD, AB is parallel to CD. Next, angle PRD equal to 127 degrees. From the figure, here AB is parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal. PQ is a transversal means 50 equal to x. These two are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means these two are equal, x equal to 50 degrees. So next, also here PR is a transversal means here this complete angle equal to 127, this angle. So these two are the alternate interior angles. 50 plus y equal to 127. So also y plus 50 equal to 127. So since alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles. So here y equal to 127 minus 50 is equal to 77 degrees. Now we are asking x and y values. X equal to 50 and y equal to 77 degrees. This is the 13th one answer. Next, 14th question. In the adjacent figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. These two are the mirrors and parallel. And incident ray AB is a incident ray, sticks the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC. So here incident ray and after reflection ray is BC. So path BC of the sticks the mirror RS at C. So and again reflected the back along CD. That AB is parallel to CD. Perpendiculars drawn to parallel lines are also parallel. So first, this is the incident ray and BC is a reflected. So next, second mirror, we observe the second mirror, BC is a incident ray and CD is a reflected ray. So we draw the perpendicular lines, these two perpendicular lines, and we prove that these two are the parallel lines. First, we draw the perpendicular line to PQ, here B2. Here we draw the perpendicular line of PQ. Next, again we draw the reflected point, here perpendicular line to RS. So these two are the perpendicular lines. So first, incident ray and reflection ray angles are equal. So these two are equal, x and y angles. Next, here also these two angles are equal, W and Z. So x equal to y and W equal to Z. So these two are equal. Next, here these two lines are parallel. This is the intersecting line. BC is a transversal. So x plus y equal to W plus Z. X plus y equal to W plus Z. So here these two are parallel. Here in the given figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors and placed parallel to each other. So here first given that PQ is parallel to RS. Finally we prove the AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So these two are the PQ and RS are the parallel lines. So now here we draw the normals at B and C. Already we draw the normals at B and C. So these two lines. So now here then here x equal to y, because this is the incident ray and BC is the reflected ray. AB is incident ray and BC is the reflected ray. So these two angles are equal. So here then x equal to y. So any angles of incidence angle of reflection are equal. Incident angle and reflection angle are equal. So x equal to y. Next, same we observe here. Here also incident angle and reflected angle, these two are equal. So W equal to Z. So here angle W equal to angle Z. Angles of reflection and incident. Reflection and incidence. So these two angles are equal. Here x equal to y, w equal to z. X equal to y, w equal to z. So next, here hint, perpendiculars drawn to parallel lines are parallel. So here we draw the perpendicular lines. These two are the parallel. These two are parallel means here y is equal to w, because these two are the alternate interior angles. Y is equal to w, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles, because here these two lines are parallel. So y is equal to w. Y is equal to w means here first we add the, here this is the x plus y is equal to, now here we take the angle x plus angle y equal to, therefore angle x plus y equal to, here x equal to y, y is equal to w. So here x place we write the w, angle w. Next plus y is equal to, here w equal to z. So y place we write the z, angle z. So here angle x plus angle y is equal to angle w plus z. So these two are equal, angle x plus y equal w plus z. So AB is parallel to CD. These two are the alternate interior angles. Suppose these two are equal means AB and CD are the parallel. So here is equal to, these angles are, these are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles to AB and CD. AB and CD. Alternate interior angles. So here therefore AB is parallel to CD. Hence here AB is parallel to CD, because these two angles are equal. Equal means these two lines are parallel. Hence proved. This is the 14th one answer. Next, 15th question. In the figure given below, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H respectively. Find the values of x and y. Give reason. So here we find the x and y values and give the reason. Here AB and CD are the parallel lines. EF is the transversal intersecting AB and CD at G and H. So these two are the parallel line. This is the transversal line. Here we find the x and y values. So here first from the figure 1. Here 3 diagrams are given. So first we do the first one. Here first figure from figure 1. So here these two are the parallel lines. Next GH is a transversal. GH is a transversal. So here 3x, here 3x equal to y, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Next 2x plus y equal to 180, because this is the straight line. So first we write the 3x plus 3x equal to y, since alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Next 2x plus y. 2x plus y equal to 180. So this is the linear pair. So here linear pair. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. So now here y is equal to, substitute the 3x value and find the x value. 2x plus y equal to 3x is equal to 180. Here 5x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 5. Here 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 36 degrees. X equal to 36 degrees. Here y value, y equal to 3x. Here y is equal to 3x. 3 into 60. 36. 3 into 36. 3 into 36 equal to 108. Here x is the 36 and y is the 108. This is the first figure answer. So next we do the second one. Here second one. Here from figure 2. So from figure 2, here this is the second one diagram. So here two angles are given. CD and AB are the parallel lines and GH is a transversal. So here two angles are given. These two angles are equal, means corresponding angles. These two are the corresponding angles. So here we write that one. So here first these two angles are equal. Equal means here 2x plus 15 is equal to here 3x plus 20. So 3x plus 20. So 3x minus 20 minus 20 since corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So here 2x plus 15 equal to 3x minus 20. So here 3x, we write the 3x equal to here 20 plus 15 equal to 3x minus 2x. 2x carry to right hand side. So here 35 equal to x. X equal to 35 degrees. This is the x value. Here only one variable is there. We find that one. Next diagram here, third one. This is the third diagram. So in the figure third. For figure third. Here for figure third equal to here AB and CD are the parallel lines. T is the transversal. So here 8 angles are written. So these 8 angles. Next third figure. This is the third figure. So here CD and AB are the parallel lines. Here two angles are given. GH is a transversal. So these two angles are interior angles. Interior angles means these two angles sum is equal to 180. Same side of the transversal in interior angles. So from the figure, for figure 3. So here 4x minus 23 plus 3x equal to 180. 3x equal to 180. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. So here 4x plus 3x, 7x. 7x minus 23 equal to 180. 7x equal to 180 plus 23. So 7x equal to 203. X equal to 203 by 7. Here 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 means here 63. 7 9s are 29 degrees. Here x value is therefore x equal to 29 degrees. So this is the third diagram answer. So now fifth answer is completed. Next 16th question. In the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD. T is a transversal intersecting E and F respectively. If angle 2 is to angle 1 equal to 5 is to 4, find the measure of each marked angles. So here these two are the parallel line. This one is the transversal. Angle 1 and 2. These two angles. Here ratio is given. So we find the angles. So first given that. Here given that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and ratio here angle 2 is to angle 1 equal to 5 is to 4. Here ratio is given. We find the angles. So here angle, first we observe the diagram. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is sum is equal to 180 degrees. This is the linear pair. So these two angles sum is equal to 180 degrees. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degrees since linear pair. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. So now here sum of the ratio. Sum of the terms of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is equal to here angle ratio angle 2 is to angle 1 is equal to here 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Total ratio is 9. So here first we find the angle 2. Angle 2 equal to here angle 2 ratio is 5. 5 by here sum is 9 into 180. So 9 ones are 9 twos are 20. 5 2s are 10. Here 100 degrees. Next angle 1 equal to, angle 1 ratio is 4. 4 by sum of the ratio 9 into total 180 degrees. 9 ones are 9 20s are. Here 4 2s are 80 degrees. Angle 2 equal to 100 degrees. Angle 1 equal to 80 degrees. So here angle 2 equal to angle 4. Next here angle 4 equal to 6. 6 equal to 8. Next 1 equal to 3. 3 equal to 5. 5 equal to 7. These 4 angles are equal. We write that one. Next also angle 1, angle 3, angle 5, angle 7 are the all equal angles equal to 80 degrees. Next similarly angle 2 equal to 4. 4 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 8. Angle 2, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 8 are all equal to 100 degrees. So this is the 16th one answer. Seventeenth question, in the adjacent figure AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of XYZ. Find the values of XYZ. These two are the parallel lines. Here some angles are given. Here 3x, 2x, 80, x, y, z. So here we find the XYZ values. So first here given that AB is parallel to CD. Suppose here AB is parallel to CD. So from the figure here PQ is a transversal. PQ is a transversal. AB is parallel to CD and PQ is a transversal, means this complete angle plus this one is equal to 180. Sum is equal to 180. So here these two complete angles 2x plus 3x. So here 2x plus 3x degrees plus 80 equal to 180 degrees plus 80 equal to 190 degrees. Interior angles of the same side of a transversal. Interior angles on the same side. Same of the transversal. So these two are the same side of the interior angle. Sum is equal to 180. So 2x plus 3x equal to 5x plus 80 equal to 180. 5x equal to 180 minus 80. Here 5x equal to 100. X equal to 100 by 5. 5 ones are 5 20s are 20 degrees. Here x equal to 20 degrees. So x equal to 20. So next here AB is parallel to CD and PR is a transversal. PR is a transversal, means here 3x equal to y. Alternate interior angles. So here 3x equal to y equal to 3x. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So here y is equal to 3x. Already we know the x value. Here y is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60 degrees. Y is equal to 60 degrees. Now next here y plus z is a linear pair. Y comma z. Sum is equal to 180. This is the straight line, is a linear pair. So here and y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair of angles. So here z is equal to 180 minus 60. We substitute the y value here. Suppose here y is equal to, we write the 60. 60 plus z is equal to 180. Z is equal to 180 minus 60. That equal to 120. So here x equal to 20 degrees and y equal to 60 degrees. Z is equal to 120 degrees. This is the answer. This is the complete 17th answer. Next 18th question, in the adjacent figure AB is parallel to CD. Find the values of x, y, z. So here AB is parallel to CD. We find the X, Y, Z values. So here given that AB is parallel to CD, these two are the parallel lines. So next here, this is the straight line. This is complete 180 degrees straight line. So x plus 70 equal to 180 degrees. So it is a line. So here from the figure, x plus 70 plus x equal to 180 degrees. X plus 70 plus x equal to 180 degrees. The angles at a point on the line. So here x plus x 2x plus 70 equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 70. Here that equal to 2x equal to 110. So here x equal to 110 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 5s are 55 degrees. So x equal to 55. X equal to 55. Next here PAE is a triangle. So here one is the 90 degrees. We know the x value. We find the y value. Here in triangle PAE, three angles are 90 degrees plus x plus y is equal to 180. Here x equal, we substitute the 55. 90 plus 55 degrees plus y equal to 180. So 90 plus 55, 145 plus y equal to 180. So here y equal to 180 minus 145. That equal to here 35. Therefore y equal to 35 degrees. Now here finally we find the z value. So here these two are the parallel lines. So CE is a transversal. CE is a transversal means z is equal to this complete angle x plus 70. So we find the z value. So here AB is parallel to CD and EC is a transversal. So transversal, here angle Z is equal to here Z degrees. Okay, Z degrees equal to x plus 70 degrees. So because these two are the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So here we substitute the x value. X equal to 55 plus 70. So Z is equal to here 55 plus 70, here 125. So Z value. So first x equal to 55 degrees and y equal to 35 degrees. Z is equal to 125 degrees. This is the complete solution of 18th one. 19th one, in each of the following figures, AB is parallel to CD. Find the values of x in each case. So here three diagrams are given. So here first one, three angles are given. AB and CD are the parallel lines. So here three angles are given. We find the x value. So here this is the first diagram. Now we draw the line parallel to AC and CD. We draw the line parallel to AC and CD. AC and CD. So here two angles are formed. So this angle is divided two angles A, B. First one is the A angle and second one is the B angle. So now here we find this one. So this complete x degrees x angle, we find that one. Here these three diagrams are almost similar. So we draw the line parallel to AB and CD. So in each case, draw a line L parallel to AB and CD through E. So first figure 1. Figure 1 to here these three are the parallel lines. Means here these three are the parallel means here AB is parallel to line L. We write the L. L. Next are LE. L. Next L is parallel to CD. So these two are the parallel lines. First we take AB is parallel to EL. Here these two are the interior angles. So sum is equal to 180. Next L is parallel to CD. These two are the interior angles. Sum is equal to 180. So here A is equal to A plus 104 equal to 180 degrees. So here A equal to 180 minus 104 is equal to 76 degrees. Next here B plus 116 equal to 180. That implies here B equal to 180 minus 116. So here 64 degrees. So now here these two are the interior angles on the same side. Interior angles on the same side. So here A plus B, x equal to, here asking x equal to A plus B. A plus B is equal to 76 plus 64 is equal to 140. X equal to 140 degrees is the first one answer. Now next we do the second one. We observe the second diagram. Here also we draw the one line. So here CD is parallel to line L. So this is the L line. Now here observe these two angles A, B. These two angles are A, B. CD is parallel to L, means here A equal to 35 degrees. Here B equal to 65 degrees. Same. So here figure 2. So here A is equal to, here CD, we write the CD is parallel to line L. Next AB is parallel to L. Here so A equal to 35 degrees, B equal to 65 degrees. Alternate interior angles. So here x equal to A plus B. X equal to A plus B means 35 degrees plus B is equal to 65 degrees. So here total is 100 degrees. Here second diagram x value is 100 degrees. Next we observe the third one. This is the third diagram. So here also we draw the line segment. Line is parallel to CD and parallel to CD. So here also formed two angles. Here one is the AB. Here also formed AB angles. So now here we find the x value. Here figure 3. Here figure 3. Here AB is parallel to angle line L. And DC is parallel to line L. So these two are the parallel lines. These three are the parallel lines. So here A is equal to A plus 35. This sum is equal to 180 because same side of the transversal. Interior angles same side of the transversal. Next these two also same. B is plus 75 equal to 180. Same side of the transversal. We write that one. A plus 35 equal to 180. So next B plus 75 equal to 180. These two are the interior angles. On the same side. So here A equal to 180 minus 35. 180 minus 35 means A equal to 145. Here B equal to 180 minus 75. 105 degrees. So here x equal to, x means this complete angle. So x equal to sum of A plus B. X equal to A plus B. Now here we substitute the A plus B values. A is equal to 145 degrees plus B equal to 105 degrees. Add these two. So here 250. X equal to 250 degrees. Therefore x equal to 250 degrees. So here first this is the complete 9th one answer. So here first this is the first diagram. Next this is the second diagram. This is the third one. So now complete this exercise. So this exercise complete. Notes PDF link on description is there. If you are interested, download it.